Hi, I'm Aisha. You are watching Educational Hub. In this video, we will learn how to make PowerPoint template using ChatGPT and AI tools. Let's start. Okay, first of all, open any search engine like Google Chrome and then search for the Gamma AI. Now click on the first website, that is Gamma. It will take us to the dashboard of the Gamma AI. Okay. Now you need to click on this Create New AI tab. Alright. Now click on this second option. That is Generate. Now describe what would you like to make. That is write your question. So, for example, I need to want presentation on what is human resource management. So, this is my prompt. Click on Generate Outline. It will start generating outline for you. Okay. So, you can see that it has generated the outline for you. Alright. Now click on the Continue here. It is asking for the templates, and you can select any templates of you want. For my presentation, Gamma AI suggested this templates. So, if you like this, click on the Generate, and it will take some time to generating your presentation. It will add the text as well as the modern templates to your presentation on automatically. You can see that it is preparing our presentation on the human resource management. Now you can see Gamma has been done with our presentation. Okay. Now, just click on this Share option, and then go to the Export option. Choose the Export to PowerPoint. Wait for the few seconds. Our presentation has been exporting to the PowerPoint. Okay. Our presentation is ready to be used. Now, here the important question is whether these presentation or any other services are free or not, if they have free credits available. So, these presentations and other services are totally free. Otherwise they will have to subscribe or pay some amount to the Gamma. Now, how we get free credits? Just click on this Credit tab. Here is the option that how can we earn more credits. If we click on this option, here we can see that if we send a referral code to our friends or family, then we can get free credit. If you copy this reference link and send to your friends, and to your family members, if they sign up for Gamma app, you will be credited 200 credits for each sign up. So in this way we can use the services of the Gamma totally for free. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe my channel for more informative videos.